Welcome back. Now let's have a look at the other events in the state.
Ashwini Gaonkar secured second place in the Mathematics Past, Present and Future competition. The competition was held in Kolkata recently. Ashwini is a bright student of St. Joseph Institute in Vasco, currently in Standard 8th. Ashwini's PowerPoint presentation weighed excellent points.
I thank my science teachers, Mrs. Lenina Fernandez and Miss Simanthani Riker, to give me such a good training by which I could achieve the second place in the National Science Seminar.
The parish of Kalangut, in coordination with the Universal Church, ushered the Year of Faith. Members of 43 samudayas gathered at the cross to start their journey towards the church. The Year of Faith is meant to arouse in every faithful the aspiration to profess.
हे भावार्थाचे वरस आमकां एक सुयेग आमचो भावार्थ खोलावंक तो जिवंक आनी ताका आमी गोवाय दिवंक हे बाबतीन सगळ्यांक आमचो उलो ह्या भावार्थाच्या वर्सांत जाता तितली आमच्या भावार्थाची अदीक ओळख घेवया.
World Arthritis Day was observed on 12th October. Arthritis, if treated at proper time, a person can live a healthy life.
टायमार इन्वेस्टिगेशन करून डायग्नोसीस करून जर तुम्ही ट्रिटमेंट करीत मनीस एकदम नॉर्मल लायफ जगूंक शकता. हातून मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट सेलियंट फिचर्स आमी जे आज सांगल्या एक म्हणल्यार रेगुलर एक्सरसाइजीस, वेट कंट्रोल, प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन. दिस इज द की टू सक्सेस.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Rohan Ricketts has cleared the air regarding his playing position. The former Arsenal player has made it very clear that he was never a striker and it's wrong to look at him as Ranti Martins' replacement. A week old in the I-League, the former Premier League player feels the standard of Indian football has most attributes associated with big leagues around the world. However, what's lacking is footballing intelligence amongst the players. Ricketts hopes his Dempo teammates can pick up a few things from him, which the former England youth player learnt in England.
Rohan Ricketts is the biggest name to have plied his trade of football in India. A week or so into the I-League, the former Arsenal player shares his views on Indian football.
It's been a week or so that Rohan Ricketts has played in India, and let's get to know from him how has it been. 1 week, started as a striker, then a central midfielder. How has it been for you?
It's been interesting. I came into the league and people were saying, Rohan Ricketts is a striker, but no one knew. I've never played as a striker. I was always a central midfield player at Arsenal and Tottenham. I played occasionally on the left, sometimes on the right, but always as a creative midfield player who was played facing the goal rather than my back to goal. I had a good talk with the coach Armando, and he was very, very welcoming and open to the discussion we had. And he said, "Look, Rohan, I don't have a problem. I can convert you back to a midfield player." And he's made that transition for me, and I played yesterday, and I was happy with my performance. But I know as I get fitter and fitter, I'll contribute even more to the team.
How has it been in terms of your footballing brain? I mean, applying it here in India. You obviously come with a different set of thinking, a different set of rules in your head, how football is played, different set of techniques. So how has it been adjusting in India with Indian players, Goan players, a few foreigners in Ruiji Soka and Coco?
It's been difficult, if I'm being honest, because I feel that like in India, I think the players, they can run fast, it's good stamina, technically they're fine, but it's the football intelligence that they lack, you know, in terms of either positioning or when to release the ball, where to stand and stuff like that. So it is frustrating because I'm used to probably the brain moving a bit quicker, and then players seeing passes before the balls even come, so they don't need to take a touch sometimes. So, or players reacting off players' movement with and without the ball. So these are the things I see, and sometimes that we are behind in India. So for me, I think, like I remember when I first came here, Armando said that I have to adapt to the group rather than the group adapt to me. So I'm trying to find a happy medium, you know, because I have to adapt to them, because I'm not going to be able to change anything overnight. But at the same time, I would like them to take on board a few things. For instance, when we played against Churchill Brothers, a game that I thought we was fortunate to win, we retreated back as soon as we took the lead. And we didn't need to. We're the champions. We're Dempo Sports Club. But I said to them yesterday before the game, I said, listen, Clifford, Anthony, stay pushed up on. We're all going to push up. We're going to stay pressed up. And we started the game really well. Got a 2-0 lead from the flanks, which the coach was telling us to play. So it worked well, you know. So that was a small thing I was thinking. We don't need to sit back with Dempo. People need to fear us. We shouldn't allow them time. So I think I'm trying to find a happy medium, you know. So hopefully they can learn from some of the things I'm telling them. Because if we can pick up some of the things that I've been taught back home and implement them here, I think we'll win this league.
With video journalist Prajot Pednekar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Miramar.
In a shocking incident, a minor girl has been molested by a tanker driver in Sangye. Complaint registered on Sunday with the Kurchode police claims that Manjunath Basappa, a tanker driver, allegedly molested a 4-year-old girl. The minor girl was immediately taken for medical examination at Hospicio Hospital in Margao. Kurchode police have arrested the accused. Currently, Manjunath is in police custody and further police investigation is on. Well, if you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.